Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. An update on Bitcoin Cash. Didn't cover it yesterday. I felt like there was not that much to talk about. I mean, yesterday we just had a little bit of bearish momentum, but nothing conclusive. So in this video, I just wanted to give you my thoughts on Bitcoin Cash for now. As most of you know, I'm short from, I'm not sure what my exact entry was anymore. Like perhaps $144. I'm short from this level. So an amazing trade so far. And so that might make me biased. I mean, overall, I still think I'm pretty objective in my takes on Bitcoin Cash, but just so you know, right? Full transparency. But in this video, we'll do a full update on Bitcoin Cash. We'll talk about the technicals. I'll once more show you why I think, and I'll go into depth about that a bit more, why I think Bitcoin Cash is manipulated, because as most of you know, that is what I think. But so yeah, we'll take a look at that kind of in the beginning, and then we'll go over to the technicals, what's possible from here, what's most likely, and just in general my view on that. So before we dive into that, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. And believe me, most signals are better than my trade on Bitcoin Cash right here. But yeah, let's get on to Bitcoin Cash. So overall, the main reason why I think it's manipulated, and I hope I can get some statistics on this right now, because I did not find it yesterday. But yeah, here you can see it. So if you actually take a look at the volume profile of Bitcoin Cash, which is something I think you should always do, what you can see is that, like, in total, I think altogether from SuperX, Blowfin, BIT, UpBit, which are all pretty shady exchanges, I think in total we're at around $300 million in volume. So that's almost half of the total volume we have, a little bit less. But yeah, usually if a lot of the volume comes from those exchanges, especially UpBit, usually then it's manipulated. And what you can observe in the price then is that the price usually rallies a lot. Sometimes it's 100%, sometimes it's 300%. And then at some point of time, it will crash down heavily. That's why I went, well, that's not necessarily why I went short, but doesn't matter. But that is why I think it will crash, because I think it's manipulated. Now, sure, Bitcoin Cash, there was some sort of a narrative, I think, with all of the older cryptos like Ethereum Classic and Dash, which were bullish at one point of time in the last week. Sure, it was quite bullish then as well, so it gained some more momentum because of that, especially this last push right here. But overall, I do think that manipulation is stronger. So what I expect from here is that at this point of time, to be fair, we're still bullish. Like, I would say, as long as we're above this level right here, between 270 and 275, we're still bullish. But we did have some signs that the price is cracking. Like, we dropped down below 300, bearish breakout, we held that, bearish confirmation. There's this minor level at 290, broke down below that, took a bearish break retest, that's bearish confirmation. So now we are definitely dropping down to 275. But the thing is from 275, we'll get support, first of all. And if from there we can actually break above 300, which is a possibility, it's definitely realistic. If we break above 300 from there, we'll just take a bullish break retest and we'll get all the way up to 350 to 360. And after that, 400 is also still possible, because then all of a sudden we're very bullish. Now, I think, because I also think the market is cooling down a little bit, and because Bitcoin Cash is definitely cooling down a bit at this point of time, I think it's more likely we'll get a bearish breakout at some point of time through that level after finding support. And that will then followed, and that move will be followed to with a drop down to 215. It's the first strong support level, I would say. Well, 240 also a little bit, but that's probably what we'll shoot through. 215, and then afterwards I'm looking for levels around 185, and then from there we'll see. I mean, frankly, I do think we can get back to my entry, but it might take quite some time. So that's my full take on Bitcoin Cash for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.